Hi people, welcome again to my channel, and for this video I decided to make a look out of this product, which is the NU Skin Tinted Moisturizer, and it has SPF 15. So there are a lot of reviews or feedback about this product, and so I bought one for myself. You know me, I am into beauty products or makeup products as well, and so I decided to buy one for me to review or for me to say my thoughts about these products. But before that, I just want you to read this message. Okay, going back to our product, which is the NU. I don't know if it's NU or NU. Let's shake, and then so the product is a bit runny. It means we need to use a brush. So for me, I think it's better if you're going to use a brush since the product is thin, para hindi siya sipsipin ng sponge. I decided to use a brush and at the same time my finger. If you see the difference, mas naging, anong tawag dito, pantay yung color ng skin ko kaysa sa dito. Makikita mo yung difference nung forehead tsaka dito sa my cheek part. Alright. So it blends well. Even you're going to use your hands, it's easy to blend. And I only use half of one pump. There you go. But let's see if I need more products later. Now I'm going to use a brush. Now take your powder and seal the product. This one. So I am using here my Fit Me powder in 220.
Melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You are just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart. 이 맘 전하고 싶어. When you ring my valentine. Sunny day you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I can see you through a little far away. 내게로 가서 melt your heart. 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래.
Alright, so that's it for our everyday makeup look. Now let's proceed to a higher level. Okay, let's upgrade this look by putting more colors on our face, but still I am using this tinted advanced moisturizer. Advanced tinted moisturizer. now if you're aiming for a heavy makeup, you can just use a concealer on top of your foundation or on top of your tinted moisturizer. So for me, I am using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind.
설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져 Something in my heart 이 맘 전하고 싶어 When you ring my valentine Sunny day you make my dream come true 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I can see you through a little far away 내게로 가서 melt your heart 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래 동화 속에서만 보던 Just like shining star 서로 바라보는 이곳 I will always by your side Sunny day you make my dream come true 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는
Alright, so we'll just do another layer of mascara kasi tinatamad akong maglagay ng false eyelashes, but if you want, you can do it.
나 우릴 감싸고 With you by my side 지금 이 순간 서로가 마주하는 지금 I can see you through a little far away 이게 철이 지난데도 내 진심을 내게 전할 수 있게 나의 품에 가득 안고 고백할 거야 You will always be my everything to me Some did it, did you stop, boom, 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 babe Some did it, was it, boom, 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 babe Because I'm here to give my heart to you Yeah, 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 yeah. Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 도도한 두 눈에 매력적
Alright guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And if you have some suggestions or you want to say something, you can just drop in the comment section. That's it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.